Hey everyone, I'm Topsy. Back in 2024, I left the Royal Navy to pursue my dreams of travelling the world. I'm a dive master and want to become an instructor, as well as become a skiing instructor. I'm a nerd who doesn't care much about making a fool of himself, and I love to try new foods and have fun. Since leaving the military, I've had so many amazing adventures that I've decided to share them, and now I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, why not subscribe to help me continue to bring you more fun videos just like this one. And as always, thank you for watching. Peace. In the gym, heavy leg day. We're on these little vibrating machines. Look at my belly jiggling. Look at that nonsense. Look at it. That's why we're in the gym, boys and girls. Getting swolly moly. On today's episode of Cute Dogs in Vietnam. That one looks like Paddington Bear.
They're like overbearing. No, actually doesn't.
Adorable. Okay, so that's the second sauna session done. Also, Mum and Evangeline absolutely smashed the gym. Ben did another legs with them. Ben's an animal. He's a monster. Look at him.
I'm 68 kg, that is not good.
Absolute monster. He just needs to put on the weight. Then he'll be a big, strong boy like me. Yeah. You're like feeble. Weak. But yeah, we're off back now, getting a shower, getting changed, getting sorted, and off for dinner. We're off to the little local beef joint that we found the first time we were here. So we're all pretty excited about that. Noodles, nice broth. And then probably back and watch some Daredevil.
Banh mi bread.
Oh, banh mi bread?
Yeah, he had two big
Did he?
things of banh mi.
Before we go after dinner, we're having a little early pudding. What have you done?
Ah.
Breaking everything. Watching some Outdoor Boys. Great. Outdoor Boys with some nice little egg tarts. Good times. I think I will do. Okay, that's us ready to rock and roll. Go to dinner. You excited, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, that's that. Off to dinner. Everyone's very low energy at the minute. Everybody's very run down, a bit tired. I've given her a sore throat that I got from bed. Yeah, the 6 AM wake ups are killing me off a bit. Look at them gains though. That's what it's all about.
That's alright. You got loads more space. That's like half of that room.
Okay, obviously filming this after the fact. It's a new day. We've actually moved place, so you're gonna see this new place in the next video. But it's been pretty hectic the past couple of days because of us like moving and that sort of stuff. So that's why the videos have been a little bit shorter and not as good quality. But hopefully, like they're gonna, now that we're like in a place that we're happy with and we're staying in for a while, like the videos are gonna get back to good quality. We're gonna start having a lot more fun with it. The puppy score thing, it's just funny, isn't it? I quite like the puppy score, so that's gonna be a recurring theme. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And the content is gonna be getting better. Don't worry. We're also gonna be doing a lot more fun stuff over the next few weeks, given that we're, you know, again, a bit more settled in. My birthday's coming up on Saturday, which is going to be really cool. Got a few cool things planned for the end of the month as well. Then it's Mum's birthday and Lauren's birthday. So yeah, just keep your eyes out, guys. We're going to be having a lot of fun. But yeah, peace.